Welcome to the Sant Joan de Déu hospital. These are our facilities. Isn't it great? Shall we enter? If you look up, you'll see the brain. You can write something if you want. A very nice nurse will attend you here and will measure you. She will also give you your pajamas. Have you noticed that cute Winnie the Pooh over there? If you need to go to the bathroom, this is the right place. This hall has a very cool mural. Can you find the boy smiling? Congratulations! I knew you'd succeed. Welcome to the Rainbow Room. Here you can have a good time playing different games, watch TV, and ride on that rocking horse. It is, without doubt, the funniest room. Oh look, a slide! Want to go down? These two tubes are the lungs. If we turn around them, we will see how the balls start flying. This is the reception of the hospital. The arches in front of you represent the bowels. Do you want to go under? Wow, they light up! This is where your parents will say you goodbye. Now we will go to the operating room with this nice doctor. Say goodbye! The room you're seeing is the TAC room. It's very cool, right? It seems like we're in space. Here ends the route. Now you're going to enter a room where they will operate you. Goodbye!